Flat roofs offer a clean, modern look, but they require proper maintenance and timely repairs to stay protected. Over time, flat roofs can develop issues like standing water, membrane damage, cracks, and leaks. If left untreated, these problems can lead to serious structural damage and costly repairs. That's why homeowners and businesses in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, trust GraniteRise All-Pro Roofing Service for professional flat roof repair. Our experienced team performs detailed inspections to identify drainage problems, damaged seams, and weak areas in your roofing system. We use high-quality materials and proven repair techniques to restore the durability and performance of your flat roof. From leak repairs to protective sealing, every repair is completed with precision and care. The result is a durable, weather-resistant roof designed to handle Pennsylvania's changing seasons. At GraniteRise All-Pro Roofing Service, we're committed to quality workmanship, honest communication, and dependable service. Protect your property with trusted flat roofing repair solutions. What are common signs of flat roof needs repair? Common signs include standing water, roof leaks, cracks, blisters, sagging areas, and visible membrane damage. How quickly should flat roof damage be repaired? Repairs should be completed immediately to prevent water intrusion, mold growth, and structural damage. Can flat roof leaks be repaired without replacing the entire roof? Yes. Many flat roof leaks can be repaired through patching, seam sealing, or localized membrane repair. Where is GraniteRise All-Pro Roofing Service Doylestown, PA located? We are located at 23 East Hill Drive, Doylestown, Pennsylvania 18901. Our phone number is 267-753-2396. Visit our website, www.aproofer.com/Doylestown-PA/.